Good day, everyone. Welcome to our Week 4 Mathematics 6 lesson, which is about representing quantities and solving problems. Learning task number 2. Solve the following equation using the 4 basic rules in solving equation. Number 1, 2x plus 4 is equal to 16. So, isulat muna natin 2x, okay, plus 4 is equal to 16. So if you notice, dito sa left-hand side, meron tayong 2x and then plus 4. So ang constant term natin dito is this, positive 4 or plus 4. Now, ano ang opposite ng positive 4? Para na sa ganun, matanggal natin ito, positive 4. So obviously, ang opposite ng plus 4 or positive 4 ay minus 4 o yung negative 4. Ngayon, nag-subtract tayo dito ng minus ng 4, di ba? So on the other side, ang mangyayari 16 minus 4. So kung mapapansin nyo, yun, pareho tayong nag-minus 4. So we can now cancel positive 4 and negative 4 on this side. So ang matitira, 2x. And then sa kabilang side, 16 minus 4, ang natira, 12. Now, with 2x equals 12, merong numerical coefficient na 2. So to remove the numerical coefficient 2 of x, i-divide naman natin siya by 2. Dahil nag-divide ka sa kaliwa, magdi-divide ka rin sa kanan. So, time to cancel 2, ang matitira, x. And of course, we have 12 divided by 2. The answer is 6. So, our value dito sa ating equation number 1 for x ay 6. So, i-check nga natin. Going back to 2x plus 4 equals 16. What is 2 times 6? 12. What is 12 plus 4? 16. And 16 equals 16. Therefore, x equals 6 is correct. Okay? Next, equation number 2. 68 is equal to 3y minus 4. So, 68 is equal to 3y minus 4. Okay? So now, if you look at the equation, nasaan ngayon yung given variable? So kung mapapansin mo, nasa kanan. At meron siyang kasama na minus 4 or negative 4. To remove this constant term, negative 4, ano ang kanyang opposite? So that is 3y and then minus 4. Anong opposite ng negative 4? Obvious na ang opposite ay positive 4. Okay? So, nag-plus 4 tayo on this side. Sa kabila, ang mangyayari, magiging 68 plus 4. Ibig sabihin, ano ang ginawa natin? Ini-apply natin yung addition property of equality. Now, what is 68 plus 4? The answer is 72. On the other side, ang natira, 3y na lang. Bakit? Kasi na-cancel na yung negative 4 and positive 4. So our new equation then ay 72 equals 3y. Now, in this equation, ang numerical coefficient ng y ay 3. So to remove this numerical coefficient 3 of y, i-divide natin yung equation sa 3. So, yung kabila, i-divide natin sa 3. So, time to cancel 3. Okay? Ano ang natira? Siyempre pa, y na lang. And pag dinivide natin yung 72 divided by 3, well, the answer is 24. Okay? So, i-check nga natin kung ang y is really 24. So, sabi natin, our equation ay 68 equals 3y minus 4. So, 3 times 24, which is the value of y, is 72. And 72 minus 4 equals 68. So 24 equals y here is correct. So in this case, eto ngayon ang ating sagot. Y equals 24. Okay? Problem number 3. M over 4 is equal to 17. Pag sinabing m over 4, it is the same as 1m, okay, over 4 equals 17. So if you notice, meron tayong numerical coefficient na fraction, 1/4. And to remove this numerical coefficient, 1/4, we can apply multiplication property of equality. So paano nga natin i-multiply kapag merong fraction na coefficient? Simply, yung kanyang reciprocal lamang. So ano reciprocal ng 1 over 4? That is 4 over 1. So sa kabilang side, 4 over 1. So in this case, makakancel natin yung 4, makakancel yung 1. Ang matitira sa left-hand side ay m. Now, 17 times 4 over 1. Since we have this whole number 17, automatic ang denominator nun 1. Kasi sabi nga natin, any whole number divided by 1 is the whole number itself. So, time to multiply, what is 17 times 4? The answer is 68. Okay? And what is 1 times 1? The answer is 1. So what is 68 over 1? Well, it is simply 68. Dahil sabi natin, any number divided by 1 is the number itself. Now, time to check. Kung ang m ay 68, balik ka doon sa given equation, m over 4, that is 68 over 4. Kapag i-divide natin yung 68 by 4, the answer is 17. And 17 is equal to 17. Therefore, m equals 68 here is correct. Okay? Next, problem number 4. We have 3n over 6 is equal, okay, is equal to 7. Again, our numerical coefficient is in fractional form. To remove this coefficient, apply multiplication property of equality. And the reciprocal of 3 over 6 or 3/6 ay 6 over 3. So sa kabilang side, 6 over 3. So cancel natin yung 6, cancel natin ang 3. What you have left ay n equals, there is a whole number 7. Ibig sabihin, meron tayong denominator na 1. Tama? Now, i-check na natin kung merong makakancel, 1 numerator and 1 denominator. 7 and 3, hindi pwede. 1 and 6, hindi pwede. But 6 and 3, pwedeng i-cancel by 3. Kaya naman, 6 magiging 2, kasi 6 divided by 3 ay 2. At itong 3 magiging 1, kasi 3 divided by 3 is 1. So, pwede na ba nating i-times or i-multiply? Wala nang makakancel. Pwede na. So, what is 7 times 2? The answer is 14. What is 1 times 1? The answer is 1. And again, any number divided by 1 is the number itself. So, check lang natin, is 14 correct in this problem? Balikan natin yung given equation. 3n over 6 equals 7. 3n. What is 3 times 14? So that is 42. And what is 42 divided by 6? Of course, it is 7. And 7 is equal to 7. Therefore, n equals 14 here is correct. Problem number 5. 5y plus 0 equals 125. So if you look at your left-hand side, 5y plus 0, well, the answer is 5y. Kasi alam naman natin na kapag ini-add ay 0, walang nababago. Okay? So equals 125. Okay? So this is our new equation. And if you look at this equation, yung y may numerical coefficient na 5. So to solve y, apply division property of equality. So i-divide natin itong equation by 5 kasi yun ang numerical coefficient of y. So 5. So cancel, okay? Natira y. And then what is 125 divided by 5? Well, kapag i-divide natin, ang sagot ay 25. Okay? Is y equals 25 correct? Balikan natin yung given equation. 5y. What is 5 times 25? So that is 125. And what is 125 plus 0? 125. That 125 equals 125. Therefore, 25 here is correct. Okay? Problem number 6. X minus negative 27 is equal to 35 minus 12. So, x minus negative 27 is equal to 35 minus 12. So, if you still remember, kapag nagdoble yung sign na ganito, minus negative, so alam natin dapat na yun ay nagiging positive. Kaya, we will now have this problem x plus 27. Then, so happen na alam naman nating isolve yung 35 minus 12. What is 35 minus 12? Well, that is 23. Tama? Now, if you look at your new equation, it is x plus 27 equals 23. So with this, apply subtraction property of equality. Kasi meron kang positive 27, ang opposite niya is negative 27. Kaya sabi natin, we will apply subtraction property of equality. So sa case na to, nag-subtract tayo ng negative 27. Okay? So, cancel 27. Ang natira sa kaliwa ay x. And what is 23 minus 27? So, that is negative 4. Okay? So, again, if you are going to check your work, negative 4 plus 27 is positive 23. So, x equals negative 4 here is correct. (5x plus negative 55 equals 20). Okay, so we have 5x plus negative 55, okay, is equal to 20. So ngayon naman, meron tayong plus, minus, or plus, negative. So kapag pinag-isa, sabi natin, positive times negative is negative. So, magiging na lang siyang minus 55. So, our problem now is 5x minus 55 equals 20. Okay? In this equation, meron tayong negative 55. To remove this, apply addition property of equality. So, kung negative 55 yan, mag-a-add tayo ng positive 55. Okay? So, on the other side, mag-a-add ka rin ng positive 55. Okay? So, addition property of equality. Now, of course, cancel yung negative 55 plus 55 dito sa left side. Ano? So, ang natira natin ay 5x. Okay? Equals, so 5x equals what? 20 plus 55. So, the answer is 75. Tama? Now, if 5x is equal to 75, the numerical coefficient of x is 5. Diba? So, to remove this numerical coefficient 5, apply division property of equality. So, i-divide naman natin siya by 5 upang sa ganon, makancel natin ito. At ang matitira ay x. Now, question, what is 75 divided by 5? So, kapag i-divide natin ang 75 by 5, well, the answer is what? 15. Okay? Tanong, is 15 correct? So, tingnan natin yung given equation. 5x. 5 times 15. What is 5 times 15? Well, the answer is 75. And 75, okay, minus 55, the answer is 20. Meaning, x equals 15 here is correct. Okay? Next. Problem number 8. 96 minus 4x is equal to negative 28. Okay? So, nasan ang variable natin? Nasa left-hand side. Nagkataon, merong constant term na 96. Ibig sabihin, positive 96. So, ang target, makancel yung positive 96. How? This time, ang i-apply naman natin siguro, o hindi siguro, sigurado, ay yung subtraction property of equality. So, to remove 96, mag-minus tayo ng 96. Okay? Minus 4x equals negative 28. So, sabi natin, minus 96. Okay? Cancel, 96 minus 96. Ano ang natira natin? So, ang natira na lang natin is negative 4x. Okay? And negative 28 minus 96, of course, is negative 124. So, the numerical coefficient of x is negative 4. To remove this coefficient, apply division property of equality. Division property of equality. So, divide your equation by negative 4. Okay? So, cancel negative 4. Natira ay x. And what is negative 124 divided by 4? Okay? Kapag i-kinompute natin, 124 divided by 4, pag kinompute is what? Positive 31. So, that is positive 31. Why positive? Negative divided by negative is positive. So, to check our work, going back dun sa ating equation, 96 minus 4x. 4 times 31 is 124. And 96 minus 124, obviously, is negative 28. That's why x equals 31 here is correct. Problem number 9. Negative 41 plus 3x. So, negative 41 plus 3x is equal to negative 23 minus 18. So, negative 41 plus 3x. Kopyahin muna natin. Negative 41 plus 3x is equal to negative 23 minus 18. So, what is negative 23 minus 18? Well, it is equivalent to negative 41. Okay? So, this is our new problem. Now, kung titingnan mo yung left-hand side, yun ay negative 41 plus 3x. Meron tayong constant term na negative 41. So, what is the opposite of this constant term, negative 41? So, obvious, ang opposite niya is positive 41. So, in this case, ang ginawa ni Sir ay ini-apply yung addition property of equality. Kaya naman, pag idiniretso natin, plus 3x is equal to negative 41 plus 41. So, again, addition property of equality ang ginamit. So, negative 41 plus 41 cancel. That is 0. So, ang natira, 3x. And what is negative 41 plus 41? So, the answer is 0. Okay? So, now we have 3x equals 0. So, the numerical coefficient of x is 3. Para mawala yung numerical coefficient, apply division property of equality. So, divide natin sa 3. Divide natin sa 3. So, na-cancel ang 3. Natira, x. And what is 0 divided by 3? Alam natin na 0 divided by any number is 0. In this case, x equals 0. Let us check. So, negative 41 plus 3x. Negative 41 plus 3 times 0, which is 0. So, negative 41 plus 0 is negative 41. While negative 23 minus 18, sabi natin kanina, is negative 41. Therefore, x equals 0 here is correct. Problem number 10. Negative 45 minus 13x. Kopyahin natin. Negative 45x, minus 13. Ito pala yung tanong. So again, the question is negative 45x minus 13 is equal to 77 plus 90. Okay? If you notice, dun sa right-hand side, merong tanong na 77 plus 90. And what is 77 plus 90? Well, the answer is 167. So, copy the left-hand side, negative 45x minus 13. Now, if you notice, dun sa kaliwa, merong constant na negative 13. And to remove that, ano ang opposite ng negative 13? Well, that is positive 13. Ibig sabihin, nag-add ako ng 13. Kaya naman, ano ang ini-apply natin? Addition property of equality. Okay? So, remove or cancel negative 13. Ano ang natira? Negative 45x. And what is 167 plus 13? So, kapag in-add natin yung 167 plus 13, so the answer is 180. Now, sa ating new equation, negative 45x equals 180, ang numerical coefficient of x is negative 45. So, to remove that coefficient, apply division property of equality. So, divide natin ang both sides by negative 45. So, cancel, negative 45. Ano ngayon ang x? 180 divided by 45, o negative 45, I mean, is negative 4. Okay? So, this is our answer dito sa ating problem number 10. So, x equals negative 4. Bakit? Negative 45 times times negative 4. What is negative 45 times negative 4? That is positive 180. And 180 minus 13 is 167. So, that's it.